into today's exciting topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Let's talk about the 2025 Lada Xray, a compact crossover that has been a popular choice for those looking for affordability, reliability, and practicality. The latest model brings significant upgrades in design, technology, and performance, making it a strong contender in its segment. The exterior of the 2025 Lada Xray has received a major facelift. The front grille is now more refined with a sleek, modern look. The narrow LED headlights give the car a bold and aggressive appearance, while the sculpted hood adds to its sporty appeal. The bumper design has been improved for better aerodynamics, and the overall body structure looks more robust and dynamic. The side profile features sharp character lines, wider wheel arches, and stylish alloy wheels, giving the car a more premium look. At the rear, the taillights have been redesigned with LED elements, and the bumper has been updated for a more contemporary feel. Inside the 2025 Lada Xray, you will find a completely revamped cabin designed to offer more comfort and advanced technology. The dashboard now features a large touchscreen infotainment system with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster provides clear and customizable driving information. The use of high-quality materials in the cabin enhances the overall feel of the interior, while the improved seats offer better support and comfort for long journeys. Sound insulation has also been upgraded to ensure a quieter and more enjoyable ride. The 2025 Lada Xray comes with multiple engine options. The base model is powered by a 1.6-liter gasoline engine producing 122 horsepower. For those looking for more power, there is also a 1.8-liter engine generating 136 horsepower. Both engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a CVT automatic. The updated suspension system ensures a smooth and stable drive even on rough roads. Additionally, the improved all-wheel drive system provides better traction and control, making the Xray a great option for different driving conditions. Safety has been a top priority for the new Lada Xray. The car is equipped with an emergency braking system, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking and maneuvering. These features make the 2025 Lada Xray not only a stylish and practical vehicle but also a safe choice for drivers and passengers. When it comes to pricing, Lada has managed to keep the Xray affordable despite the upgrades. The base model starts at approximately $14,000, while the higher trims with more features and all-wheel drive can go up to around $18,000. This competitive pricing makes the Lada Xray one of the most budget-friendly crossovers in its class, while still offering modern technology and solid performance. The 2025 Lada Xray is a well-rounded compact crossover that combines style, technology, safety, and affordability. With its refreshed design, improved interior, and enhanced driving dynamics, it is set to remain a popular choice among buyers looking for a reliable and cost-effective vehicle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below telling us what you think about the 2025 Lada Xray. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Your script for the 2025 Lada Xray in English, following the car's insider style, is ready. Let me know if you need any modifications.